Hello, Tall Talk. It's Brendan from the Burnside Property Maintenance here. And today I want to tell you about this TRV tail driver from Monument Tools. It's designed to make the installation of your tails for your thermostatic radiator valves easier and quicker. So it simply attaches into a cordless drill. Okay, is a typical radiator tail. This one fits a Drayton, but doesn't particularly matter. And that fits in there. Obviously, with your PCFE or your jointing compounds on the thread, and you drive it in. I haven't had a chance to properly test this yet in actual everyday situation, but the idea is a good one, because normally you'd be trying to get either an adjustable spanner or a ring spanner on the square end, which you haven't got a lot to go on, and by the time it's tightened up you've got very little. One thing I have noticed though is that the fit, it does seem quite loose, so I know I'll give it a go, but I suspect there is a possibility that you could end up rounding this off and then it's going to be no good. So, but time will tell. So we'll see what happens. Thank you for watching.